4. Exosphere. Exosphere extends from 500 to 7,750 km from the surface of the Earth. At a height of about 4,490 km, radio waves of temperature of 1700 degrees centigrade has been detected through rocket and radio waves. This layer predominantly contains neutral atoms of oxygen, helium, and hydrogen. At a height of about 2000 km, the neutral atoms have an effect called a magnetic circle. Role of atmosphere in climate. Earth is able to support a wide variety of living beings because of its diverse regional climate that ranges from extreme cold at poles to tropical heat at the equator. A region's climate is often described, for example, as a sunny, windy, dry, or humid. But while the weather can change in just a few hours, climate changes over a longer span of time. Earth's global climate is an average of regional climates. Today, we are experiencing unusually rapid warming. The scientific consequences is that the greenhouse gases are increasing because of human activities and trapped heat into atmosphere. Second, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere covers more than 71% of Earth's surface either as ocean or freshwater. Hydrosphere includes sea, rivers, oceans, lakes, ponds, streams, and wetlands. In that, there is both surface and underground water are included. Third, lithosphere. It includes the Earth's crust and upper mantle. It contains fossil fuels and minerals and the soil chemicals needed to support plant life. Biosphere. Biosphere, the portion of Earth where living biotic organisms are found and interact with one another and with their non-living environment. This zone of life includes plants, animals, and their habitat. Scope and importance. Environment is not a single subject. It is an integration of several subjects that includes both science as well as social science. To understand all aspects of our environment, we need to know about life sciences, chemistry, physics, geography, resource management, economics and engineering, and social science, population issues of poverty, resource and use, resource use and allied issues. Thus, the scope of environment education is extremely wide and covers some aspects of nearly every major discipline. If we study the natural history of the areas in which we live, we would see that our surroundings were originally a natural landscape such as forest, river, mountain, deserts, marine environment, or a combination of these elements. Most of us live on landscapes that have been profoundly modified by human beings into villages, towns, or cities. We get our food supply from surrounding villages, which in turn are dependent on natural landscapes such as forest, grasslands, and rivers from resources. The industrial development and intensive agricultural practices that provides goods for our increasing consumer oriented society uses up a large amount of natural resources. Consequently, this will get exhausted in the near future. If you continue to extract them, there will be nothing left for the next generations. Rapid economic growth and unplanned development has inevitably led to environmental degradation. The environment affects us in many ways due to weather changes and quality of air and water. We in turn affect the natural environment often negatively. We cut trees or throw away our garbage, which has an adverse effect on the environment. In the industrialized era that we live in today, every component of environment such as air, water or food are impacted by industrial activities, infrastructure development, population explosion and pollution. Thank you.